Good morning. I'm here. I'm going to do some sausage and eggs and some pancakes for breakfast this morning. So to start off with, we're going to throw on our sausages. Just 2 for now. You know what? Let's cook up all 3. We'll cook them all up. Okay, well our sausages are cooking up here. They're cooking up quite nicely here. They're maple flavored sausages. Breakfast sausages. So I got some water. I'm going to add some water to our mix and go from there. Mix her up. Mix up our batter. Oh, need some more water. I forgot to bring my little whisk for mixing this batter up better. So I have to use a fork today. But it'll all work out. Okay, the batter's all mixed up. Let's think our let's get some oil. We got coconut oil this time. Cooking spray. Looks like it's hot enough. Add batter to it. Well, looks like our pancakes are done. And our sausages are done. Let's take them off the pancake off of here. And we'll take our sausages off. And let's add some cooking oil and cook up an egg. Let's give that a few minutes to heat up. It's like our thing is ready to throw the egg on. Close that up. Yeah, it looks like our egg is done. Take that off. Put that on there. Yeah, we'll just put our sausages on there. Get our butter. Butter our pancake. And add some syrup. Got my syrup on there. And my egg. And my sausages. It's all ready to go. Guys, I'm going to let you go. I'm going to sit here and eat my meal. On there, my butter, my egg, my sausage. So let's try this out. Maple flavored sausages. Tastes pretty good. Try a pancake and egg. Syrup. Excellent. Very good meal. All right, guys. Well, that's all I have for you today. I just wanted to bring you along when I cook up my breakfast for you. Oh yeah. Also, I have my morning coffee as well. Bye for now. Good times. I'm gonna go finish eating my breakfast. That's all I have for you today. Yeah. So thanks for coming along, and we'll see you on the next one. Stay safe out there. And if you want to see any other videos, I'll leave a link here or here. All right. Bye for now.